we're going to be using the entire finger pad to cover as much surface area as possible. And after applying light pressure, we just ease the lashes off of the tray. Oops, looks like I missed one right there. But there we go. If you prefer using tweezers to remove your individual lashes, same concept applies. Now I like to flip my tray around so I can see the knots better. And since the surface area of a set of tweezers is so small, we want to make sure you get as close to the knot as possible. And make sure that all the hairs are encased within the width of the tweezer head. And gently apply pressure and ease it off. You never want to grab onto the ends of the lashes or just grab only a couple hairs, because that can easily lead to your lashes being warped. I like to bend the tray backwards when I work with either super short or unusually difficult to remove lashes. If we take a look at the side view, you can see that because the tray is so bent now, the lashes themselves actually stick straight up from their wells. And that's a good thing because it means that I can go in with my tweezers and easily grab whatever I need. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.